So we actually got paired with Sandy, who is Gold Coast's first ever Uber driver, and she provided some interesting content for the vlog. It's fair to say that she was quite skeptical by the whole match betting idea, as she had been fully scammed by a previous betting syndicate. These are the type of things that we have to deal with as a result of the scam-heavy industry. So let us know in the comments what you think Sandy thought about the whole match betting idea. What are we filming? We run a company which teaches people how to use the betting company's promotions and mathematics to make money.
I was in a betting thing once and got ripped off $5,000.
Like a syndicate? Yeah, right.
Where they do the betting for you.
Yeah, okay. Most betting stuff is a scam.
5 weeks and it was...
Yeah, okay. Why did you sign up to that?
Well, because I did it through, of course, a reputable person, friend.
Yeah.
And for a few weeks, it was doing okay, and then it wasn't. So
yeah.
Now I keep the money in the bank.
Yeah, okay. So you personally didn't bet before that, or you did?
Oh, we have a TAB. Like, we had a TAB for years.
Yeah.
Family, and not a betting full on, but like
an account.
Yes.
Or you mean a shop?
No, a shop. Like,
oh, you owned a TAB. Yeah, a family did. Yeah.
Family did. Yeah. So
yeah.
She's retired now, but that was for like 30 years. But no, you know, randomly I would have a few bets.
Yeah. Okay.
Nothing like what people do.
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's a full-on plague right now in Australia.
Oh, it's friggin' absolutely.
It's like, so we teach people how to win, but like probably how we've become more known is talking about changing people's mindsets. Yeah, and like we have a podcast and a lot of content around like that stuff. So
you obviously make money then?
As in our company, or?
Were you personally?
I lived off match betting for 7 years before this. And then Lenny, who's only 20, he came through our community. He made like a couple $100,000 off it, and now he's working with us.
You still got the money?
Yeah, like it's not gambling. So I know that sounds like scammy to say that.
Investing?
Well, yeah, I would say it's like investing with an edge given to you through the promotion. So like Sportsbet and Tab and all those companies, they give you the promotions, and you can turn that into profit if you know how to hedge between other bookmakers.
Gotcha. Who do you target? Well, when I won't say target.
As in bookies?
As in
our audience?
Yes.
Good question. We started off like 4 years ago, had no plan. We just kind of launched this because we did it ourselves, and then we thought we'd teach it to people. Probably I'd say our audience would be 80% like 18 to 24-year-olds, like male.
Yeah.
With no plan. That's kind of what we just came across through our content.
Is it registered with us, like that's the whole thing with these other companies and different things I've got into, like over the years, CFX and all these different things that bots.
No, it's not like
because that's crazy.
We're not betting for you or taking your money. You place the bets based off what we teach you, and so it's different.
Is it like stocks? Doing stocks and
like trading?
Yeah, well, yeah.
It's not trading, but it's got
trading.
similar. No, definitely not that. Forex trading is, I would say, almost scammier than betting.
And that's why I walked out.
And a lot of people get sucked into that rabbit hole as well. I tried to do it before starting this company. I think I lost like 15K in 2 weeks.
They make it look so easy, and then they leave you to your own.
Yeah, it's harder to win off Forex trading than it is to win off betting.
Right.
But yeah, that's the whole idea is called matched betting. So if you were to Google that, that's what it is.
I will Google it.
Yeah, we do have a lot of free stuff that you could go through. Would you do it?
I don't know.
We were joking before. We said we're going to give the Uber driver our free access to our paid course. So if you showed an interest in it, and you have, if you want it, we can give it to you for free.
Would you have done it to the other driver if he had?
If it was a full like mute, then no. But you've given us some good combos.
First ever Uber driver.
Yeah. No, we'll give you. No, so when you sign off tonight,
what's going on here?
We'll set you up with a free account.
Easy in trouble. That's all right. You just I will look at it because, like, I don't. After being burnt.
No, you don't have to place any bets. Just watch the content.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Do you have Instagram?
I do.
The System AUS.
AUS.
You'll find us on there. And then just send them a message,
How
say
many people have you
JP,
got into this?
1,500 currently. So yeah, we're not small.
No.
We're like 20 in our
And
team.
what was the thing, get much?
The System AUS. Google match betting free course and you'll find us. Easy.
See you later.
No worries, take care. Auto? Yep.
I've got everything.
James thinks it's a scam?
Yeah.
For sure, yeah? So that was a little snippet taken out of our full mentorship program vlog. If you want to watch the whole thing, you can head over to here. If you want to watch more mentorship program stuff, click here. There's some more insights into what the top members of the community are doing. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.